Hey guys, welcome back to the Green Cupcake. I have another amazing recipe to share with you. It's my buffalo cauliflower bites. This recipe is so simple, so you'll only need a couple ingredients. You'll need Frank's Red Hot sauce, all of your spices, your almond milk or whatever milk you like to use. I use gluten-free all-purpose flour, and of course cauliflower. So this recipe is super easy to do. You'll just need to get your cauliflower ready and prepped, get it washed, cleaned. I'm going to show you how I choose to cut it. It is pretty simple this way and it doesn't make much of a mess. So you're going to cut the stem off. And then I went ahead and cut it down the center just to split it into two halves. We're only going to use half the cauliflower for this recipe. Then you're going to cut them into florets. I cut off the majority of the stem because I don't really like it, but if you do like it, keep it attached. And then you're going to cut them away into bite-sized pieces. And then when you're all done, there you have them. Cute little florets. Put those aside. Now we're gonna get started on our batter. So for the batter, you're gonna need your spices, your almond milk, and your gluten-free powder. And then I just needed a few tablespoons of water just to get it to the consistency I like. So first you're gonna add the all-purpose flour, then your spices, get them all in there. Mix them around, and then we'll get ready to put in our almond milk, and you're gonna mix it up nice and mixed. Get all the flour from the bottom. Perfect. Now it was a bit thick, so that's why I chose to add the 2 tablespoons of water just to get it a little bit looser. And you're gonna mix it till you have a nice liquidy consistency that will be great for coating the cauliflower. Shouldn't take you more than 4 minutes. There we have it. Our batter's all ready and set to go. Now what you will want to do is get your baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Set up your station to make it nice and easy for you. You're going to dip your cauliflower into the batter and then set it on your parchment paper. At this time, you should be preheating the oven to about 350. And we're going to speed this up because you know how to dip cauliflower, right? Perfect. So dip, and set them on the parchment paper. And when you're all done, you should have a full tray, and then you're gonna pop them in the oven for about 25 minutes. Perfect. So now let's work on our buffalo sauce. We're gonna use vegan butter. I'm going to pop it into the microwave for 10 seconds, and then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of Frank's Red Hot and go ahead and mix it nicely together. And this is going to be our dipping sauce for our cauliflower bites. They're so good, guys. Now when your cauliflower bites come out of the oven after 25 minutes, they should be nice and golden on the bottom. You're going to put them into the sauce and lightly coat them all over. They were hot, so be careful. And you're just going to make sure every one of the bites are nicely coated, and then set them back onto the parchment paper. and then we're gonna pop them back into the oven for another 10 minutes to golden and crisp up. So after 10 minutes back in the oven, they came out nice and golden and crispy and delicious looking. And I wanted to plate them with some celery with some garlic dip, which is the perfect addition for me. So after you're done, you're just gonna set them on your plate and enjoy. Of course, I had to try one and make sure they're good, right? They were nice and crispy. I hope you do try this. If you do, follow me on greencupcake.home on Instagram and let me see your pictures. I'd love to see. I hope you do enjoy them. They were spicy, but not too spicy. So enjoy them, have a nice drink with them, and I'll see you next time. Bye.